Make a great choice today with the 2021 Panamera. As you can see, Porsche didn't experiment with the car's design. They stuck with the Porsche philosophy that form should follow function. Nothing else would have made sense. Nothing else would have produced a four-seater Porsche. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, Bluetooth, driver airbag, passenger airbag, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system, center armrest. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.